Yung isa. Ayan guys, ulan. So ayan guys, ang lakas kasi ng ulan. So ako lang yung naka raincoat. Tingnan nyo yung tubig. Tingnan nyo guys ha. Ang laman ay
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Oh, taas yan. Yoy. Yes. Kami lang ang tao dito. Sa amin lang ang falls. Tabi-tabi po.
Baru kita ada nama tuh.
Sabay tayo. One. One.
Jangan.
Son peces voladores, ¿sabes?
Hindi.
Están volando todo el rato. Aquí, cuando ya llegas aquí, no.
Ganun po kalamig guys. Ganun po kalamig kung alam nyo lang. Three.
Un par de bolitos.
Lalo na palaway.
Kaya kami huntu. Aki mga dekuan. Di ala-ala.
Intindi.
Ganda oh. No?
Balance.
Bili pa tayo isda. Kaya nga. Ya, kailan kaya?
Press record pa niya. 850 grams.
200 na ilan
200. So, nagpaparent sila ng snorkel at saka ito, life vest. 200 to, tsaka yun, 250. Ano man gusto mo, Vic?
Ano man?
Yan. Ito 200. Ito na lang. Yung ano, malaki, large, yung malaki. Oo. Okay na.
Kasya na sa'yo? Pag adjust sir, i-press lang siya.
So, yan po yung mga kasama natin from CDO. So, papunta na po tayo ng Mantique Island.
Ano namin, i-confirm natin yung 4 hours.
4 hours.
Oo.
Sayang.
Sayang.
Tawagan naman.
So, yan yung mga kasama natin from CDO. Yes.
Hi, ka-vlog.
Ayos. Party-party pa si Kuya, oh. Buti na, nakabili tayo ng tsinelas. So, yan yung mga bangka na sasakyan pag pupunta po kayo dito.
Hi! Hi,
First time kami din, first time na.
First time namin to.
Dalawang foreigner, dalawa na sila, no?
Tagalog, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. So, yung bag mo. Ayan, bag mo, baka mapapag. Ayan na eh. Ito sir, yung ano mo sir?
Hindi ka
Aeroplano o ano, drone?
Yan.
Pwede gamitin ko na.
Kilala kayo, ma'am?
Ay, paganda mo na kami.
Hi, I'm Gretchen.
Hi, I'm Leonora.
Yun.
Wala si Bibiong, alias Umi. Taga Mountain Loba. Ngayon lang lumabas.
Team ka, ma'am.
Bago pa lang.
So, eto guys, oh. Ambing.
1, 2, 3. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Yes. Ganda.
andar na. Hinay takol.
Hulog pa yan dito dili ha.
Antique guys. Kuya, hello. Kuya. So, magpaluto tayo ng isda. Ewan ko kung magkano kasi by kilo kasi iluluto. Boss, pila magpa sugba? 50 half. So, nabayaran natin ng 75 pesos yung pinaluto nating isda. Kasali na yung uling. Ito yung solid. Diba?
Kuya.
Hello sir, ma'am. Good morning. So welcome to Mantigue Island Nature Park. My name is Ikoy. I am a local tourist guide in this island, an operator of the glass boat. So I'll give you the meaning of Mantigue. Mantigue M, man. E, adventure. N, nature. T, tourism. I, island. G, gorgeous. U, unique. E, enjoy yourself. That is the meaning of Mantigue. Come again is come again.
Yes! Ang galing.
Kuya.
Ang galing ni Kuya.
Anong mga pwede namin pasyalan dito sa island na to, sir?
To activity sir, ang gitawag na to og inyong mapasyalan. Natay gitawag na to forest trail. So ato makita dito daghan ang mga langgam o view picture. 10 minutes wala tay bayad dito.
Oh,
So ang kaduha nga activity mao na ang Fish Sanctuary area.
Yun.
Katong di ka na mo langoy, natay gitawag na to glass boat. So makita na tong pawikan, isda, corals, giant clams. So 30 minutes, 6 capacity, 300. So, mano siya ma'am. Para ma-enjoy mo din sa island. Sulit na sulit talaga.
Oo.
Kaya ma'am, sir.
Pwede naman din mag-snorkeling no, no?
Oo.
Tayo lang.
Pero og kung
Kailangan may guide kapag mag-snorkeling, sir.
depende sa inyo ma'am. Magpagayon mo o pwede di kamura. Pero kana inyong buo ra magod 300 magod inyong bayaran ra.
So, kami na to.
Oh, kamura buo.
Tanan. Okay.
For boat.
For boat.
300.
Tawag lang mi kung sa mga kuya.
Yes sir.
Ha?
Okay.
Kuya,
Para mo
Ikoy?
po din. Ikoy.
Ikoy.
The last enjoy with Ikoy.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya.
I-video mo lang, tapos i-cut mo lang.
Wag.
Ginawan. I-cut mo lang ang video man yan. I-cut mo lang siya.
Ready. 1, 2. Ito, madam. So, yan, pupunta tayo ng sanctuary. Sobrang init.
Ha?
Okay na, share lang mi.
Share lang, Mi.
Kuya, saan tayo pupunta? Tagalog tayo, kuya. Para
Tagalog.
maintindihan tayo. Ayan.
Mag-start tayo sir doon sa puti na buya. Doon
Okay.
tayo magsimula kasi yung current papunta pababa.
Ah.
Kung saan yung current, doon tayo magsimula. At saka doon rin ang bahay ng Nemo. Marami.
Dyan. Okay.
Ma-enjoy tayo doon sir. Huwag
So-
kayong mag-alala.
Ayos.
Sulit yung snorkeling nyo. Kasi ano sila ni Kuya, pinatawad ng
Binagyan ng discount.
Bigyan sila ng discount para ma-enjoy lang kayo. Walang problema.
Yay.
Ako pala si Ome, yung tourist guide nyo sa Marine Sanctuary. Sana ma-enjoy kayo ha.
Grabe siya oh.
Hindi kayo maghirap. Tapos yung sign ko, ganon. Pag ganon, okay.
Okay.
Pag tatlo, hindi okay.
Oh.
Pag gusto nyo balik, balik tayo.
Balik.
Pag hindi kayo marunong lumayong, hawak lang sa life ring. At saka malayo tumingin para maraming makikita ng isda.
Okay.
Baka swerte tayo sir, baka may pawikan.
Yes.
Kung sisisid ka sir, bigay mo yung camera ako kung mag-video siya sa ilalim.
Sige.
Kaya natin 20 feet.
Yay.
Hindi na mga kaibigan kang pawikan.
Mag-snorkeling kami. Okay na din. 200. May life vest na.
Pag Ano ka ba? Kayo pa rin pala.
Yun nga, yung ano. Oy, dahan-dahan. May butas?